Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to my vlog. It's cooking time. My menu today is ang gonna cook yummy. This is my garlic, onion, tomato. This is my meat. This is for the vegetable. This I'm gonna fry this tonight for pork chop. And this is my green beans, munggo and Tagalog. And this is my spinach. That's my menu today. I'm gonna cook yummy mango. I'm gonna saute the meat with the garlic, onion and tomato. After I saute, I need to make it brown the meat before I put the mango, and then bring it under a full tender. Meat is high in protein. The vegetables like mango high in nutrients, minerals, fiber. And the spinach is rich in vitamins, minerals, nutrients, good for digestive system, to boost immunity, and antioxidant. Anyway guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment, suggestion, and of course, subscribe. Thank you very much. I marinate the other meat because I'm gonna fry that tonight, and this is for the vegetables. See, I need to make this brown before I put the mango. If you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment, suggestion, and of course, don't forget to share, subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye. I season the egg, salt, and black pepper. Now I put some to flavor the cooking.